Hello, hi, it's Liz here. It's Monday, so the little book of collage assignments comes out, and we are at week 2 and week 21. Key to the door. So let's do 21 first. So we have text in a foreign language, something stapled, something related to coffee, a postage stamp, something with wings, and the bonus is tissue paper or napkin. So I have my little bundle here. Where is my bundle for this week? Here's my stapler, and I have my little bundle here. So we have text in a foreign language, and I have some French, le français. I have a postage stamp, Royal Mail, Glasgow Mail Centre. I have something related to coffee, and I have pieces from my sheet of coffee dyed paper. And something with wings. I have my crazy penguin. That's me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the stapler. So I thought I would do this and this. Make that into a piece of land for him to stand on, because it has to make sense. And then that and that with him on top, and I'm just going to do some stapling and staple these together. So there we are. So we'll put that there, and this, we'll put that underneath like that, and then that gives him his coffee dyed paper iceberg to stand on. Right, let's do that. So get the Gluey magazine out, and we'll just get that stuck down. So I hope everyone is well. I can't believe that's, oh, this is really old, this French paper. Can't believe that's Monday come round again, and we're at number 21. But my catch up is at week 2, which is good. So one more week after this week, and I'll just be doing one collage. Actually, I'm going to miss doing 2 collages. It's fun doing the 2. But anyway, we'll put that there. Now, was that underneath? I think that was underneath. Let's do that before that gets stuck. Just put that there. We can't cover up the Queen. There we are. I think it's not what she had in mind when she agreed to be on the postage stamps. There we are. And I do like these quirky images. This is another one from the big sticker book, and although it comes with borders round, I just cut round them and then fussy cut them out, and that gives me less of a border. I'm going to need my little tool there. Let's get this off. I thought I had loosened it a little bit. There we are. Come on, wee guy. Right, and let's not cover up the staples. Let's just put them there. There we are. So we've got text in a foreign language, something stapled, coffee paper, a postage stamp, and something with wings. I do like the ones that have got quirky images. The monkey, and where's my favourite one with the guy? This dolly bird's quite good as well. Where's the guy? I can never find this. This just tickles me. Okay, let's go number 2. So we've got a person again from the antiquarian book. Image from a magazine. I've got this page from a magazine, and I'm going to use this little section here. So let's get that. Isn't that ripping noise quite satisfying? And about more macrame, that must be coming back. I remember years ago in the 70s it was a big thing, or was it the 60s? Just take this little wee bit off. So that's my image from the magazine, a doodle. I've got this swan, not my doodle, it's from a book. Let's maybe do that. Washi. I've got my washi here. I've got 2 little bits of washi, which we'll just keep to the end. Tea bag cover I don't have, so I'm going to use the bonus, which is an illustration, and I've got this illustration of a ladder that I'm just going to put there. Like to overlap everything, and then I'm going to have him standing on the ladder. I'll put the swan over the other side, peeking out. I think I'll make the magazine smaller, it's too big. Let's just take that chunk off. Have the swan over there. Let's have the magazine there. And let's have the wee guy there. And then we'll put the washi tape about. Right, so this down first. So I hope everyone is well. Welcome to the new subscribers, and hello to the old subscribers. The old subscribers, I don't know what else to call you. Everyone's been so lovely, beautiful, nice comments. I was going to say beautiful comments, but that's not the right word. Lovely comments. Lovely comments. Everyone's so kind. That there, and then that there. And then he can be stood on the ladders. And that makes sense. Of course it does. So we'll put that there. There we are. Not too high up. There. And let's do the washi next. So we'll have some washi. Washi here. And a different piece. Piece there. Yep. that'll do. And then he's standing on the ladder. He's looking quite mystified by it all. He's like, what's happening to me? 1 minute I was keeping my pals company in a book, and now I'm standing on a ladder for no good reason. I'm wondering if I need another wee bit of washi up here. I know it doesn't matter that it's upside down, but it was kind of annoying. It's not straight. Do you know, I think what it is, it's the swan that's not straight. I don't know if I like this washi here. That's better. This isn't good. That's better. Right, so we have a person, image from a magazine, a doodle, some washi. I don't have the tea bag cover, but I've got an illustration of a ladder. So that's me. Just one page there to go for number 1, and that's number 21. I do like 21. Okay, thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye for now.